Sahityam to Ramishetty Kavya. And the second one, Srimati Maraganti Bitrama Memorial Gold Medal for standing first in MA Sanskrit among the lady candidates, Gampa Ravali. Third candidate, Professor Mudigandi Gopal Reddy Memorial Gold Medal for standing first in MA Sanskrit by securing highest marks in Vedic studies, Mr. Prabhakar. Dr. Saida Abdul Fazal Memorial Gold Medal for standing first in MA Arabic by securing highest marks in the paper of History of Arabic Literature, Fahmida Begum. And Faculty of Social Sciences Gold Medals, Professor P. Yanmanta Rao Educational Foundation Gold Medal for standing first in MPhil Clinical Psychology, Geeta Magesh. And Sri Chalimela Ramchandra Reddy Memorial Gold Medal for standing first in MLIC by securing highest marks in Management of Library and Information Center, Pedagappa Nishita Chandraharika. Yudhvir Memorial Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Development and Rural Communication paper for 4th semester in MCJ, Chintapulla Sai Priya. And Faculty of Science Gold Medals, Y. Purinder Honorary Gold Medal in MSc Physics, securing first division and obtaining marks extremely close to the first rank, Manchakanti Sruti. And the next one, Ayesha Tabsam for the Botany MSc Gold Medal. And the Statistics Gold Medal, Pokala Gauri Priya. And Alumni State Statistics Gold Medal, Marige Urmila. And in the chemistry, Sayabugari Sushant, he got 5 gold medals in chemistry. He is receiving highest gold medals in this. Sushant. Next one is Bhavani.
A special good morning to each and everyone. Dr. G. Satish Reddy Garu, Chief Guest, Chairman DRDO, Professor D. Ravinder, VC Osmania University, Professor Limbadri, Chairman, Telangana State Higher Education Council, Professor K. Narsimha Reddy, VC JNTUH, Professor Gopal Reddy, VC MG University, Professor Ravinder Gupta, VC Telangana University, Professor A. Suresh Kumar, VC IFLU, and Professor T. Tirupati Rao, former VC Osmania University, Professor Lakshmi Narayana, Registered Osmania University, Sri M. Harinath, President Alumni Association, Osmania University, all Alumni Association members, all Executive Council members, all Deans of faculties, all students, scholars, teachers, non-teaching staff, respected parents, doctorates, gold medal winners, and all the participants, all press, media, and all security personnel. I am really delighted to be a part of the 81st convocation of the historic Osmania University. I appreciate the chief guest address of Dr. G. Satish Reddy. He was talking about defense because he is from defense and he wanted innovation on defense. And I am also going to talk about defense. You may be surprised. He was talking about the defense and innovation in defense department, in safeguarding the security of the nation, in protecting the nation and fight against the war. I am going to highlight about the defense, protecting ourselves and protecting, securing ourselves from the diseases and fight against the war of COVID. I appreciate the Indian scientists for innovating the Indian vaccination so that we are taking the Indian vaccination and here we have crossed the 100 crore mark because of the past alumni students, the scientists for their tireless work on this. So I appreciate his words so that our countries should move towards research and innovation. And he enlisted Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Tagore, and other person, Dr. Tagore, Dr. Ambedkar, and Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. They received doctorate from this prestigious university. And he enlisted the stalwarts, alumni who got passed from this prestigious university. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, "You are not a goat, you are a lion. You are not a goat to be sacrificed, you are a lion to lead." Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan said, "The true teachers are those who help us to think individually, not to only follow them." I think most of the teachers taught you here, that same thing here. And Tagore said, and I'm very happy this auditorium is named after Tagore. Tagore said, "You face the challenges when you are distressed and when you are disappointed. If you cry, the teardrop will block the vision of the rising sun, which is going to show the path for your future. So don't cry, don't be disappointed." That's the words of Tagore. So I want to highlight all these precious words so that this will show the path for you in the future. And apart from that, he enlisted the students who passed from this university and who occupied most of the prestigious positions in this country. He enlisted the past students. I am going to enlist the present students who are sitting here. The best scientist is sitting here. The best leader is sitting here. The best politician is sitting here. The best doctor is sitting here. The best engineer is sitting here. The best teacher is sitting here. And apart from that, the best human being is sitting here. I am really proud of being the chancellor of this university. 100 years, century-old university. You can, a proud student of this university, go to any part of the world, say that I am the student of Osmania University, a century-old university. The same pride I have, I am the student of century-old Madras Medical College. The same pride you can have wherever you go. And as students, today is the day of your achievement. And as it is said by the chief guest in his address, we have to innovate. Don't follow, don't practice the same thing. Every day, if you allot more than an hour, you can have 365 hours more for your studies, for your achievements, and if you think little more than you think today, you can exemplify in your life. And take the challenges. As he said, you can innovate. You can be the beginners. Don't follow others. You can be the beginners. But for being the beginners, you have to face the challenges. Why I am talking about facing the challenges? Because as a doctor, as a gynecologist, as a practicing doctor few years back, I notice the students, even now the students are very easily they are depressed. They are psychologically upset. Please don't do that. You are here to live the life, enjoy the life. When I came here, I enjoyed the flower arrangement. I enjoyed the aura of the auditorium. I enjoyed all the uniform white dress worn by the students and enjoyed the students with the pride they came and received the gold medal. We were striving hard to get one gold medal. Some students got 3 gold medals, 2 gold medals, 5 gold medals. So yeah, 5 gold, I won't forget the 5 gold medals. So 5 gold medals. And not only that, gold medals, I can understand the students who slipped the gold medal by margin and who wanted to get the gold medal and they strived hard to get the gold medal and the efforts. So when I appreciate the students who got the gold medal, I appreciate the students who put their efforts to get the gold medal, and I appreciate the students who put efforts to get the degree, because everyone cannot exemplify. They may have some challenges, but always try to face the challenges. When an opportunity is in front of you, try to utilize the opportunity. Why I am telling about the challenges? Actually, when a caterpillar turned into a butterfly, and when it was trying to come out of the cocoon, it was pushing the cocoon, hitting the cocoon. But one student saw that, no, trying to help the butterfly to come out, he just opened the cocoon, facilitated the breaking, but immediately the butterfly died. The nature is, if the wings should be strong, it should hit the cocoon and should come out. Like that, whatever the challenges you have, I as a woman coming to this stage, I understand so many challenges every day, from morning to evening, even during sleep. He quoted about our Honorable Abdul Kalam's quote about dream. He said, it is not the dream which you have during the sleep. It is not the dream during the sleep. The dream should be make you sleepless unless you achieve your goal. So it is not comfortable sleep. You should have sleepless nights. As a doctor, I should say that you should have a good sleep. But as a chancellor, I will say you should not have a good sleep. You should have sleepless nights so that you should be an achiever. From today, you imagine you are the best person in the world. I will enjoy, and at the same time, you have to enjoy, you have to achieve, but don't compromise on your happiness. And don't compromise on your health. Be healthy, be happy, and enjoy the life. At the same time, be an achiever. Today, your life is like a plain paper, plain slate. You can write histories starting today. So, please be an achiever. And I want you all should be very happy. And I really congratulate all the gold medalists, and I also congratulate all the people, all the students who put their efforts to exemplify in their education and be good human beings. Thank you so much.